Hamza. Today we are making slime with Baba.
Okay, hi everyone. So today we'll make slime with Hamza, and we need persil, and we need glue. Yes, and we need food color. Okay, and we need shaving cream and spoon and container. So we're gonna start now.
Yes.
To make it, okay, Hamza?
Yes.
You can put your glue here, please. Put it here. All. Yes, all. Put all the glue. Yes.
Okay. Finish it all. I will put my glue also. Yeah. Now we put the glue. It's nice. It's nice smell. Nice smell, yes. Okay.
Now, yes. Just close it. Now, what you have to do, you have to put the color, food color.
The color.
Put it here.
No. Because my hand has become red.
Okay. So put here 3 points. And here we put also 3 points.
Also, you need spoon.
Now we need spoon. You have to mix it now, Hamza. Mix.
That one?
Yes.
Mix it with this one. Okay. And me, I will mix it. Yeah. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. You mix it, and the color now will be red color. Yes. Yes. Nice. See? Now the color will be red. Okay. Red color like a blood. Like a blood. Correct. Can I help you here? Okay. So here we make it. Red. Like a blood.
Okay.
And make it slime.
Now we finish the coloring. What we'll make now? Now we'll put persil.
Persil soap. And it mix again. And it mix again.
Yes.
Okay.
Now you have to mix it. Then I will put it for you. Okay. Okay. You have to mix it.
But then you make this one.
And I will put persil for me.
Persil soap.
Yes. Persil soap.
Wow.
Mix.
I start mixing. Yes, you have to mix now. After we finish persil, we start to mix. And now see the formula start to be slime. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I will help you. Yes. So here you have to see now. Now it start to be slime.
Slime red like a blood.
You like the red color?
Yes.
Oh.
And you like the blue color?
I like the blue color, yes. I like the red color. It's nice. It's my favorite.
It's my favorite also.
Do you like it?
Yes.
Good job. So can you please mix it from your center? I will mix mine. Yes. Now, almost
Almost finished?
finished. Yes, it will be now.
Slime.
Slime.
So sticky.
This is the first time we're making slime, so we are learning how to make it. And now we'll put a little bit of shaving cream. Yes, here and here. Go ahead, Hamza. Yeah. Okay.
The shaving head.
Shaving cream.
The shaving head. Become bigger and bigger and bigger. More bigger.
My hands start paining. Good. I am going.
My hand's not paining.
So after mixing it for 5 minutes, now it's look like slime. And 8.
And now we're putting the table.
Yes, it's very stretchable. And we can play with it. Okay, just remove yours, yes. And you can, see, put your finger. Put your finger, put your finger like this. Yes. And we can remove it and it's not sticky. It's just like this. See? Wow. See? Yes. It's nice, right? And whoa, see? Bye. You like it?
Yeah. Stretch it. Mama, watch me.
Wow, good. Yes, great. You can put your finger and make any shape you like. So this is how to make the perfect slime. Please, if you liked the video, subscribe.
And hit the bell button.
Thank you. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.